Sulit yung travel dito sa Hong Kong, guys. Sobrang sarap. Sulit lahat ng pagod, puyat, ng hirap. Ay! Ang sarap talaga, guys. O sige, kakain na ako.
Real Travels.
Value for money.
Food trip.
Accommodation na sulit.
Real Travels.
Because adventures are the best way to learn.
Ayan, tapos na tayo sa main dish na beef noodles. Tapos yung side dish niya na butter toast with ham and egg. And then, meron pa siyang kasama na drink. Ito guys, yung ating drink for the day. It's a lemon iced tea. Hindi siya yung iced tea na artificial, guys. Sa Hong Kong, ang mga lemon tea nila, if you order in restaurants, talagang literal na may lemon. Ito, isang buong lemon, guys, oh. Diba, sa iba, isang pirasong lemon lang. Ito, manama kayo sa lemon. Isang buo yung hinihiwa nila. Para sa drink, grabe. Sobrang generous, nakakaiyak. So, I think love language ng Hong Kong is, giving gifts. Laging may gifts bawat, order mo. Ang dami kasing serving na nilalagay nila. So, this is the lemon tea. Let us try. Wow, sarap. Lasang tsaa. Pero may onting syrup silang nilagay. Pero, alam mong hindi siya yung iced tea na 3-in-1. Yung iced tea na tinitimpla na powder. Hindi siya ganun. So, talagang, totoo siyang lemon tea. Ang saya. Tapos, meron pa siyang spoon. Because you need to stir the lemon tea. At ang daming lemon talaga hanggang sa baba ng glass na to. So, super sarap. It really blends well dito sa dish na in-order natin. So, overall, this whole meal is $57 na. Sobrang sulit. And then, you just need to add $3 para magkaroon ka ng drink. So, $3 lang meron ka ng iced drink of your choice. So, sa 57 plus 3, ayan, sobrang busog ka na. At pwede ka pa umorder ng, pwede ka pa umorder ng dessert, guys. So, this is the dessert / parang appetizer na rin. At sobrang sarap nito. Actually, ito yung nilulook forward namin dito sa Hong Kong trip. Ang golden butter cheese French toast ng red tea. Earlier this morning, we had French toast din for breakfast sa isang random na restaurant at walang papantay dito, guys. Natikman namin yung French toast earlier and it was okay, but this is marvelous. So, titikman natin at na-miss talaga namin tong French toast na to. Hindi ako fan ng mga French toast, pero this one is really, really good. Tapos tingnan nyo, guys, butter, mainit-init na may cheese na parang mozzarella and then may condensed milk. Tapos sobrang crispy and crusty ng mga sides niya, guys. So good. This is only $34, guys. So, tikman natin. At ang laki ng serving. Good for 4. Ayan. Kasi pwede nyo hatiin. Ayan. Tikman natin. Sulit yung travel dito sa Hong Kong, guys. Sobrang sarap. Sulit lahat ng pagod, puyat, ng hirap. Ay! Ang sarap talaga, guys. O sige, kakain na ako. Ang sarap, guys. Hindi ko ma-explain tong French toast na to. I'm not exaggerating. This is one of the this is the best French toast I ever tasted in my whole life. Nakaka-inspire, nakaka-motivate na mag-work hard para makabili tayo ng French toast. $34 lang to. For $34, meron ka ng French toast. Add mo yung $59 for the whole set of meal and you're all set to conquer the world. Sarap, guys, dito sa Red Tea. Highly recommended na kahit anong tikman yung restaurant sa Hong Kong, basta isama nyo lang to as your non-negotiable. Hindi talaga kayo magsisisi. Red Tea, guys. Super, super sarap. So after eating guys, grabe ang bilis no. Umakyat na po tayo dito sa ating second destination, which is the Victoria Peak. Using of course the Victoria Peak tram. And again, sobrang exciting pa rin still to be here, even though this is the second time around that we're here. Kasi ang dami na namang bagong makikita dito sa Victoria Peak. So if you're a first timer dito sa Hong Kong, Victoria Peak is actually one of the most famous tourist destinations next to Victoria Harbor. Kasi last night, diba? AKA, last episode, we were at Victoria Harbor and na-witness natin kung gaano kaganda yung skyline ng Hong Kong from below. So, nandun tayo sa bandang lupa. Tapos nakikita natin yung skyline ng eye level. Dito naman, sa Victoria Peak, you will get a view of the Hong Kong skyline from a bird's eye view. And what's good about this is that hindi lang siya parang umakyat ka, tapos nasa taas ka na ng bundok, tapos view lang makikita mo. It's actually parang a hidden city. So if makikita mo, sa likod ko, there are malls. Pag akyat mo ng Victoria Peak, merong dalawang mall dito, establishment called the Peak Galleria. Tapos yung isang mall na katabi niya where you can also dine and shop. So hindi mo kailangan ma-intimidate when coming to Victoria Peak kasi napaka-tourist friendly ng area na to. Everything's available here. Napaka-comfortable ng ride. And you can actually ride a one-way tram going to Victoria Peak for as low as 78 Hong Kong dollars. So balikan, so parang hindi ka lalagpas ng $150 when commuting towards here. You don't need to also avail any type of viewing deck or observatory like yung mga ino-offer dito. Pag akyat mo, merong mag-offer sa'yo ng possible na viewing deck, ganon. So me as second timer dito sa Victoria Peak, parang ang suggestion ko is when you come up here, actually makikita mo na yung view. So it's actually a free attraction. No need to buy any type of entrance fee para makapag-view pa from a viewing observatory. So yun lang guys, if you're traveling on a budget para talagang ma-experience nyo to for a very minimal cost din. And ngayon guys, now na nandito na tayo sa Victoria Peak, we will explore it by foot and i-check natin yung best view guys. And that is through a very special road. Ayan guys. Meron kayong makikita dito sa Victoria Peak na signage nakalagay Luggard Road. So yan guys, hanapin nyo ang Luggard Road na signage if you're coming here kasi parang usually ito yung parang alternative na ruta para makakita pa ng mga ibang anggulo ng Hong Kong skyline from above. So ito guys, Hong Kong Trail, Luggard Road. Usually it's a road na hindi masyadong madaming pumupunta ng mga tao kasi parang usually nandun sila sa mga touristy spots. Pero dito, we will try to explore it by foot. So explore natin guys yung Victoria Peak via Luggard Road for free. I-explore lang natin. Tara, let's go. Lakad na tayo. Tara guys. And guys, so naglalakad na tayo sa Luggard Road. Ganda ng weather today. Very mahangin, malamig. Alam niyo naman sa mountains, di ba? Pag nasa tuktok ka ng bundok, kapag malamig, malamig talaga. So, presko yung panahon ngayon and surprisingly, amazing kasi June yung month ngayon and for the past 3-4 times that we've been to Hong Kong ng June, talagang sobrang maulan, ang foggy, tapos very uncomfortable yung weather kasi humid. Parang nakakapagod yung pagka-humid, di ba, ng weather. Pero today, sana nandito kayo ngayon guys, kasama ko kasi sobrang hangin, tapos gentle lang yung breeze ng air. Tapos para ka lang naglalakad-lakad, lamig ng hangin, and ang ganda ng view habang nagwo-walk ka. Tingnan nyo guys yung view. Tapos kitang-kita mo talaga yung nature. Yung nature in front of you. Tapos sa likod nun is yung mga building. So dito guys sa Luggard Road, it's also a Hong Kong Trail. Talagang dinadaanan talaga siya ng mga tao, ng mga locals. And actually may mga din dito may mga maps provided. Tapos i-share nila yung area ng Victoria Peak kung saan ka pwede din maglakad pa. Pero ito daw yung isa sa mga pinaka mabilisan lang naman din na trail for you to walk around. At pag nakapaglakad ka naman na din sa Luggard Road, super bilis lang. Tingnan nyo guys, para ka talagang nasa hiking. Pero ang ganda ng road na kinlear out nila. Talagang nilaanan talaga nila ng daanan dito. At ayan. Ang maganda din dito guys sa Luggard Road is very informational kasi naglalagay sila ng mga placards and signages of kung ano yung mga nature species na makikita nyo dito. Very nice. And if you can see the road, very ano siya, very clear yung path. So, hindi siya rocky road or parang off-road. Ano talaga siya, lakaran din. So, may mga locals din dito na naglalakad, nagja-jogging, iba nagbabike. It's a really nice trail. Yan. So, I think lang guys, pag pupunta kayong Lugard Road dito sa Victoria Peak, sa Hong Kong, kailangan nyo lang din siguro magbaon ng water, tsaka off lotion din if ever, kasi it could get itchy. Hindi naman sa tinatakot ko kayo guys, pero yung mga normal lang naman na mga lamok-lamok, ganyan. So, off lotion, water, and then, ano lang, a lot of photos and videos para ma-document yung trip nyo dito. Tapos, best time to come here sa Victoria Peak is around hapon. Yung tipong hapon na paggabi na rin para makita nyo guys yung sunset ng Hong Kong skyline tsaka yung night lights ng skyline, which is very, very beautiful. Kasi si Hong Kong, yung dami ng buildings niya is yung dami din ng ilaw na makikita mo. As you can see naman sa ating last episode. Alam nyo guys, dahil sabi ko nga kanina, diba, if you're gonna go to Lugard Road, mga parang lamok-lamok and it's kinda itchy, sabi ko magdala kayo ng parang off lotion, mga citronella, ganyan. Alam mo, galing ni Lord. Alam niyo, ang galing ni Lord talaga kasi saktong-sakto lang of all the times kung kailan tayo mag-shopping earlier kasi namili tayo ng pants and naka-shorts ako, if you can see sa video kanina. Pero galing ni Lord, syempre kakagaling lang ng shopping, dala ko yung paper bag ng shopping hanggang dito sa Lugard Road. It's itchy. Di nagpalit po tayo. Galing talaga ni Lord. Time check guys, it's 5:20 PM. So, pupunta kayo Victoria Peak, sakto lang yung time na to for you guys to go. Kasi sakto lang, pagdating natin dun sa view, balik tayo dun sa spawning area. Tapos, saktong-sakto lang, just time for sunset. Yan guys, nakikita na natin yung view so far ng Hong Kong skyline, Hong Kong City. Kita nyo yung kabila, that is the Kowloon Island. Itong kabila naman, this is the Hong Kong Island. So nice. Tapos ito pa guys, tip, if you want to jog sa Hong Kong, gawin nyo na lang dito sa Lugard Road. Kasi it's also a bike trail, a jogging trail, a walking exercise trail. Ang ganda. Maganda yung road eh. Para kang parang nasa maze. Pero may guide naman, tsaka may barrier. So very safe. Kahit may kasama kang mga kids nyo, it's safe naman din here to go. Para kang nasa Jumanji oh. Or Avatar. Parang may lalabas na ng mga dito. Ng mga avatar. Dating sa Lugard Road guys, huwag kayo malilito merong lalabas na dalawang path. Yung isa pataas pa, yung isa dito sa patag lang. Dito lang tayo guys. Dito lang tayo sa patag maglakad. Continue walking. Kasi if umakit tayo sa taas, dire-diretso. Parang mga subdivision na yun eh. So, dire-diretso lang tayo guys. Hanggat may nakikita tayong Lugard Road na signage, dire-diretso lang. Tsaka, very helpful magkaroon ng Google Map. So, you can track din ilang minutes na lang yung i-walk. So far, 5 minutes na lang before we go to the Lugard Road lookout. So yan guys, after mga parang 15 minutes lang of walking, we have reached the Lugard Road lookout. Ang ganda guys, grabe. I think it's worth the walk. And ang maganda talaga dito is libre lang tong lookout na to. You just need to burn some extra calories kasi maglalakad ka lang talaga. And it's really nice, you can take your time taking photos, tapos kitang-kita mo yung pagkahati ng dalawang island ng Hong Kong. Dun sa pinakadulo is the Kowloon Island. Itong island kung nasan tayo ngayon, this is the Hong Kong Island. And both islands are so beautiful to look at. Sobrang worth it talaga tong view na to. In person talaga, mas grabe, mas breathtaking talaga. So yun guys, that's the Lugard Road lookout. At if you're looking for a sign to go to Hong Kong, ito na yun guys. Punta na kayo sa Hong Kong with your friends and family.